Welcome to the Rugged Rundown this week, and today I'm going to talk about what is the IP rating when it comes to rugged laptops. So first of all, IP stands for Ingress Protection. The numbers that follow are the rating they give it for. The first number stands for the solids ingress that might occur, and the second number relates to the water ingress. And the lower the number, the less it can withstand. So let's talk about rugged laptops. We have a semi-rugged FZ55 here. It has an IP rating of IP53. This is a fully rugged Panasonic Toughbook CF33. The IP rating on this laptop is IP65. So what does that mean in relation to how it withstands solids and water? So if it has an IP rating of 5.3, 5 for solids means protection limited dust ingress. So whenever you close up the port covers, the dust and large particles will not clog up your ports. The 3 stands for protection against water spray at 60-degree angle. So we can be at a 60-degree angle, which is approximately similar to this, and shoot water at it, and it'll survive it without a problem. On the fully rugged side of the coin, when a fully rugged laptop at an IP rating of 6.5, the solids, number 6, which is the highest rating for solids protection, is dust tight, no ingress of dust. So these port covers hold back any dirt and dust that might be in the atmosphere. With the number 5 for water, and just so you know, the IP rating for water goes from 1 to 8. With 8 being you can totally submerge the unit in underwater and it'll withstand up to 13 foot deep. This is a 5. What does that mean? It means protection against water jets from any angle. So it doesn't matter if it's 60 degrees or straight on or this angle, doesn't matter the angle, it's going to withstand the jet of water. That is one of the most rugged ratings you can get in a fully rugged laptop. I have seen some laptops with an IP rating of 6.6, which means that same dust, it's dust tight, but the second number meaning 6 is protection against powerful water jets and heavy seas. That would be the case where you could be on a boat and the water can be slopping up on the side of the boat and hitting the laptop. It won't affect it. That's what IP rating stands for. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and I'll see you guys next week.